Yeah, that's good. That's a step in the right direction. Yeah.
We'll see. She hears something next time.
And I'm going to fail real fast.
Everyone, and welcome to the March edition of the First Friday Book Synopsis. For those of you that I didn't get a chance to meet, my name is Carl Crayer. I am the president of Creative Communication Network that sponsors this event, and it's great to have all of you with us. I notice we have a lot of regulars here who've made a monthly habit of being here, and a special welcome to you as well as to all of those who are attending your first Friday Book Synopsis. I hope you enjoy your breakfast, the networking, and the synopsis that we do here today. I like Friday Book Synopsis. In your packet you will find a presentation outline and a sheet of key quotes that actually come from the book. If you'd like to follow along and make any notes in the presentation outline, you're of course welcome to do so. And at your own time, you can look at the quote sheet to get a flavor of what the authors have said in the book. As I say most months when I introduce this program, if you hear anything here that contradicts your own values or orientation or philosophy or whatever, please don't kill the messenger. We didn't write these books. We're only telling you what the author said, and that's really what our job is. This has never been, since its inception, it has never been a critical review, an editorial about the books. It is truly an information transfer. We're giving you the essence of these business bestsellers, and you may use that in anything you want to. Conversations, emails, reports, papers, and the pact that I will make with every one of you is I will never tell anyone you didn't read the book. Now, that is a pact thing, and I'm delighted for you to use this in any way that you wish. But it truly is an oral Cliff's Notes of the books. It is an information transfer, and these are two business bestsellers. We hope to give you enough where you fool somebody that you actually read the book yourself. If you'll turn to the first presentation outline, then the book is entitled Talent is Overrated. This is by Jeff Colvin, and the first synopsis will be delivered by Randy Mayu.